Hello traders, I trust you're all well and you're all winning. Another week, another positive week that we push ourselves and start afresh. So guys, if you're new on this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the notification bell. We analyze the markets every week, late every Sunday or around these times, so that we can see the perfect setups or the best setups that we are approaching this week. This week we'll have NFP news, we have big news. So usually I start with the news. So this is the Forex Factory, guys. You can check it out on the website or you can download the app. So on Tuesday, you don't trade on Monday. So on Tuesday, we have Euro, German prelim CPI. I'm not trading that. Also on 4 p.m. still on Tuesday, we have CB, consumer confidence. I'm not trading that. My day will start, my trading will start on Wednesday. We have at 3:30 a.m. AUD CPI. I'll be trading that. Right. Then we have, I'll also take note of the GPI monetary policy on how it impacts the USD. Then we'll have, I'm not trading the Euro CPI flash estimate. Then I'm also looking forward to the CAD GDP on Wednesday. Also, the most important event that I'm looking forward to at 8 p.m. is the USD federal interest rates, federal funds rate at 8. So far you have 3 events that I'll be trading. Thursday I'm not trading. Oh, there's GDP. There's GBPUSD interest rates decision, monetary policy statement, official bank rate, right? So that's the 4th event. And then Friday we have NFP. It's a big week this week, guys, right? Friday we have NFP. Let's go. This is the Friday, August the 2nd. And August is my month, my birthday, my birth month. I'm turning 22 on the 27th of August. Isn't that amazing? So on Friday at 2:30, we have USD non-farm employment change, USD unemployment rate. So guys, let's go into the chart and see what we have. Now looking at the USD dollar index DXY, aka DXY, on the daily time frame, right? We can clearly see that the dollar index has been on a consolidation. Let me do this. We can see that dollar index has been on a consolidation, but during this consolidation, we could clearly see even that price has been moving to the upside, right? So with this demand zone, you see this demand zone that has been respected multiple times. I believe we can, because currently I see we have a short uptrend, right, on this consolidation. I think we can push to the upside. I believe we can push to the upside and then reach that high there, where I marked. We can reach that zone there. From there, I think it's a resistance, right? So maybe we might drop from there, or we could break. It depends on the news that are coming out or whatever economic situations that happen. But with this uptrend currently, the positive, it's actually on a downtrend. Why am I saying it's on a downtrend? Because you can see this low, right? Price gave us a new low, a lower low. So I believe in the coming times, price might drop now to go break out that low, or it will respect this demand zone as buyers might come into the market and test firstly this resistance before dropping to that low. It makes sense, right? But currently on a downtrend. It's just that we are pulling back to the previous support zone or the previous breakout, right? So with that said, this means that the USD JPY will also be bullish for some time. Euro USD JPY bullish for some time. USD CHF bullish for some time. And then on the other pairs, that the USD is not the base currency. It means that the Euro USD, with this bullish move on the USD, on the DXY, the Euro USD will be going opposite of this move. Gold will be going opposite, GBPUSD will be going opposite, and other pairs. So let's continue. Let's check another pair. It makes sense, right, guys? You can see even the candlesticks, a pin bar, are signaling to us that we are moving to the upside. Now looking at the USD JPY on the daily time frame, USD JPY on the daily time frame, as I said, you can see that. Okay, as I said, you can see that we have this slight drop. We have a market is on a downtrend. I spoke about the market before it reached that high, right, that you're gonna sell. You can check the video on my on the channel, guys, the previous week video. So it dropped and people I made some mistakes. I was supposed to get an entry on 155 the other time. Procrastinated, it missed me, but it's okay. Another week to do better. So price dropped, right? So we can't have a drop without a pullback. So as you can see, price even went back to test the previous zone, right? Or even that zone there. So I'm expecting that we go back and test this zone, or we go back and test that zone before we get those drops, right? But currently we are still on a sell, right? We are still on a downtrend. You see this low, price broke out this low and give us a lower low, right? So even here we have candlesticks here, pin bars, shooting stars, that signals to us that we might go up there before we drop. It makes sense, right, guys? Then from here, I'm not sure. Then we will see if whether we are buying or we are selling. It depends on the news. But if this is a strong demand zone, let's move. Now, looking at the Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame, let me zoom out this. You can see that we've been on the downtrend, then we got into an uptrend. Currently, we broke out of the uptrend and we have been officially on a downtrend. But however, we have this consolidation phase that has been taking forever now. And I bet many traders have been taken out. So I analyzed it and I saw that we're actually going down. Remember, the dollar index is going to be bullish for that moment to pull back. So it means the opposite, which is the Euro USD, is going to be negative. So maybe from here we might start seeing potential buyers coming into the market, and then we'll be buying this going further to the upside. That's what I think, guys, on the Euro USD. But currently, I believe that this is a bearish move. We'll be looking to take sell orders, right? You can see we had a head, first shoulder, second shoulder, price broke out. Sells were taken there. Price consolidated for longer. Some probably took off their trades because they got impatient. But yeah, we're still negative. Those who are holding, let's go. This is a strong sell. It's a positive sell. So let's take it. This is one of the perfect or best setups that I'll be looking out, the Euro USD. If you're still in the video, guys, make sure you subscribe, comment, let me know what you'll be trading, and let me know everything what you think. So guys, I only analyze the pairs that I mostly follow because I don't trade Nasdaq. I don't afford to trade Nasdaq. I don't trade a lot of pairs, cryptos. This is the pairs that I focus on. So if you want me to analyze another pair, you can comment on the comment box, and then we'll take it from there. So guys, now looking at the GBPUSD on the daily time, actually on the 4-hour time frame, let me zoom on this. I've been speaking about it on the previous video. You can see that we reached a strong demand zone yet again after price impulsed super high, and then currently we retraced. So the market goes like that, guys. Impulse, move, then pull back to test the previous correct breakout. You can see price impulsed out of that zone and it pulled back. So we're expecting bullish moves to the upside now. But with the dollar index being slightly pulling back as well to the upside currently, it means that you see that here we have the GBP price that I marked that line with the path. I believe that we are going to pull back here to test the previous zone. You see this zone there, we're going to test it before we buy. Don't make a mistake. I'm seeing it. So remember, we buy low, we sell high. So we need to get this pair to go as low as that before we take our buys, right? So this is what I'm looking for. We go down to $1.28626 region. From there we take our buys, right? From there we take our long buys. Now, I think this is the last but not least, XAUUSD, which is the gold spot, the commodity gold. Everyone loves it. I love it. Everyone loves it. I love it. And it's expensive to trade. You need to be having affordable funds, and also your mind needs to be open-minded because it's actually a volatile market, the gold. So if you can take a look, we've been having an uptrend, right? We had an uptrend for a while. You can see the trend line. Price eventually broke out of it, right? Price broke out. Let's do this. price broke out of the trend line or out of the uptrend, and then we're currently experiencing a downtrend. Yeah, you can have something like this. So currently experiencing a downtrend. You saw how it broke out and gave us a correction that I just marked, and then we got an impulsive move to the downside. Currently what we're experiencing is an impulse pullback. That's the rule. So we had an impulse, currently we're getting a pullback. So that's a pullback from to test the previous break, right? You can see it, right? And also we have a strong demand zone where price is currently looking to test. This is a strong demand zone. Every time price came there, it drop, right? I'm expecting that price could come there and drop. So this is one of also the best setups for this week, right? The best setups for this week. Probably from here also, this is a strong demand zone. We might see if price will buy or will break out. It's still in a consolidation phase if I overall, right? So guys, that's all. That's there you have it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, set the notification bell so you don't miss any next video, and then good luck on the next trade. Make sure you follow your plan, right? So I had someone saying that you can make a mistake, you can end up not making money or not making whatever your goals, but if you followed your plan, something that you wrote down and you followed, if you sold instead of buying, but that was part of your plan, that was your strategy, you are winning. So guys, cherish that, keep that, and then good luck. Let's meet for NFP analysis before the NFP, right? All right, cheers.